Alright, Robert Guzman, or should I say Santa Robert Guzman, is back with, you guys are not seeing this. Your eyes are not deceiving you. We have a snowstorm. Yes, Houston, we officially have a snowstorm. The greatest snowfall in 3 years, 2022. This is from a winter storm that's traveling the city of New York, which is under a winter weather advisory. The city is expected to reach 3 to 5 inches of snow, which will then be followed by extreme cold temperatures. No, seriously, guys, it was cold when I came out of the movie theaters because I went to go see Sonic 3 if you guys didn't see the post. Well, this is going to be one winter wonderland, along with some brutal cold. So anybody that's in America or outside of America, or should I say in New York or out of New York, you better dress well, because this is one snowstorm that I think I'm never going to forget. Just watching that snowfall. And if you want more snowy type videos, go subscribe and ring that notification bell.